I'm officially on a hair growth journey, so let's do a length check so that we know where we started when we come back in a month's time. So I'm gonna measure the front, the back, and the middle. So let's see. I need a cut, but we're gonna do this after the month. And we are at, what is this? 18. If you can even count that. So the top is 18 inches. Let's see. Yeah, I need a trim. I don't even need a trim, I need a cut at this point, like a proper haircut. So this is, are we gonna say 17? 17. Okay, so this is decent. This is 14 inches.